You need to view this immediately if you are a shareholder. Recent Shiba Inu coin developments. Are there any positive predictions for the Shiba Inu token? How about some up-to-date information about this digital currency? In today's video, we'll cover these topics. The channel for wealthy coin holders is opened. Please hit the like button and subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. The current market price of a Shiba Inu is 11 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. For the most recent Shiba and dollar pricing, visit our site regularly. Shib investors are anticipating a new high while Shiba Inu have dropped 2.47% in the last day. Trading volume and asset volatility have both dropped recently. This demonstrates that the consolidation period came before the new movement, with prices remaining contained inside a tight range, often signaling a subsequent significant breakthrough. During this time, a tight trading range between 50 cents in support and 55 cents in resistance was formed in the Shib price. Since the pair has broken out of the descending triangle, it appears that the downward trend has paused for the time being. The bulls need to be totally committed for the Shib coin to resume its previous ascent. At the same time that the number of participants in the Shiba Inu has continued to rise, the rate at which tokens of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu Shiba are being burned has increased by more than 150%, reaching 5.1 million Shib in just 24 hours. This comes at a time when the cryptocurrency market has been experiencing a downturn, as evidenced by the fact that the burn rate has increased by more than 150% over the past 24 hours, as recorded by the Shiba Inu burn tracker. Shib and Shiba Inus. When Shiba Inu coins are sent to dead wallets on the Ethereum network, they are destroyed. It's impossible to find any sense in this world. As the tokens cannot be retrieved, they have been essentially withdrawn from circulation. Token burns have long been supported by the Shiba Inu as a means of decreasing the amount of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency in circulation, which would increase the value of tokens in circulation if demand remained stable or increased. As of late last year, 410 trillion tokens had been destroyed by the Shiba Inu community. The Bitcoin community, which was inspired by a meme, has created many ways to make money and burn cheap, such as an Amazon Associates program and music playlist. Noteworthy is the average amount of time a trader has his cryptocurrency on a Nasdaq-listed exchange. The Shiba Inu Shiba coin, which was inspired by a meme, has been stored on Coinbase for longer than 210 days, without being sold or transferred to an external address. The cryptocurrency exchange website specifies that longer holding periods are indicative of an accumulating trend, while shorter holding periods point to more frequent token transfers. The average wait time for a Shiba Inu on the exchange has steadily increased ever since the new functionality was introduced. Crypto Globe said that so far this month, the Shiba Inu has added almost 600 new holders every day. According to blockchain statistics, the number of its owners has increased to over 1.258 million Shiba Inus, up from roughly 1.251 million at the beginning of the month. The fact that the value of crypto assets has plummeted over the past year hasn't diminished her popularity among investors. The increasing list of wallets containing meme coin is proof of this trend. Shareholders have already surpassed 3 million, a new record high. Most digital assets in the crypto industry have been consolidating recently, leaving the market in a state of uncertainty. However, Shiba Inu's holder base has been growing at a healthy rate recently. The number of Glassnode wallets with Shiba tokens on deposit has been increasing gradually over time. Moreover, it has achieved unprecedented heights as the year nears its conclusion. The number of Shiba Inu addresses has surpassed 3 million, increasing even as the value of the meme coin has plummeted. There's a negative correlation between the two, as depicted by the graph. At the same time, it has grown considerably. Shiba Inu mailing addresses increased by the thousands just this year. Despite the exponential growth in the total number of addresses, only a small fraction of Shiba addresses are really being used. It has grown by 35% this year to fewer than 5% of all addresses. Shiba Inu appears to have achieved a stable middle ground, as the number of occupied addresses has dropped to less than 10% of its all-time high, November 2021. The value of Shiba Inu is still incredibly low in comparison to the rest of the market. The repeated market collapses that have been seen have not helped, and alternative cryptocurrencies have suffered considerably. for it appears that pricing is currently one of the poorest performers on the market, having dropped by more than 89% from its high. On top of that, the price of Shib has dropped below the key 1 cent mark recently. The meme coin's break below this level has resulted in a complete reversal of the short and long-term trends, which are now both bearish. The price of Shib and other altcoins has been severely damaged by the lack of market momentum, which has reduced the amount of liquidity available to these currencies. Shib needs to break out and stay above the 1 cent level with numerous daily closes above this price in order to register a new bull trend. If nothing changes, the bears will maintain their dominance. However, it is worth noting that the digital asset is up 23% from its latest cycle low, suggesting that there is some hope among investors. Low liquidity and market momentum as the holidays approach, however, may cause Shib to drop to 5 cents. An exclusive Shiba Inu ecology countdown was published on the official Shiba Inu Twitter account. The team has shared a website link that features a countdown timer set against a Shiba Inu themed background and will reach 0 at 8 p.m. tonight. Crypto Twitter speculates that the next Layer 2 blockchain solution is the reason for the countdown. Sodium, barium on December 19th. A tweet from Shiba Trophies, developer and co-leader of the Shib defensive team, stated that the countdown is the first step toward the beta launch of Shiba Farms. Initially, he said, you should revise the primary webpage. The website's launch will occur in stages, and the team behind it is doing everything it can to ensure that it goes off without a hitch. Our primary website really needs an overhaul, so that's our first priority. This is the first step on the road to the beta release of Shiba Farms, and it was long overdue. When the site finally goes live, it won't be complete. We'll be doing phased rollouts, and we'll do our best to make sure everything goes smoothly. Even with the expected Siberian upgrading, the recent market downturn has hurt the price of Shiba Inus. Millions of dollars have been generated by whales selling Shiba tokens during 2021's huge rallies, when many previously inactive addresses have begun selling Shiba tokens. Members of the community continue to have faith in Siberian, a Layer 2 blockchain solution. In terms of when the Siberian beta will begin, the developer has just said that it would happen soon, which is not the same thing as giving a date like the trophies did. The value of Xi has increased by more than 4% in the past day, and now trades at 8,713 cents. In the 24 hours before the Siberian launch, the value of the Shib price, jump, bone, and leash tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem rose by a similar amount. The cost of both bones and leashes has risen by about 30% and 15%, respectively, in the past 2 days. The current market prices for a dog bone are 912 cents, and a dog leash is $323. It is expected that prices would rise again in the near future,